Hi all, welcome back. Now Ramadan is about to get over and the moment to celebrate is just on the way. So today I'm sharing my easiest chicken dum biryani recipe. It's very quick and easy to make. And if you are a beginner, you can give a try on this. Before we get into the video, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to never miss the notifications. Put all the ingredients into a blender and then add handful of coriander and mint leaves and blend them to a smooth paste. Heat the pan, add 2 tablespoons of ghee and then 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And then add the biryani spices, cinnamon sticks, 3 cardamoms, 3 cloves and 2 bay leaves. Toss it for 2 seconds and then add the blended mixture. Mix it well. The puree should be very smooth and creamy. Cook this for about 5 minutes. And now we'll add the spices to this. And then close the lid and cook for about 20 minutes in the medium flame. And you can see I add the chicken and the gravy is done. Meanwhile, take 2 cups of basmati rice, soak them for about 20 minutes and half boil it. And now we'll layer the rice. I've taken fried onions and ghee roast dry fruits and nut. Separate the rice to 2 portions. Add the 1 portion of the rice to the bottom and spread the gravy on the top. And then add the rest of the rice on the top. Add chopped coriander and mint leaves. And I'm topping with fried onions. And then ghee roasted nuts and fruits. The badam, cashew nut and the raisins. And then place the chicken on the top. And finally, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of rose water and close the lid and cook this rice for about 10 minutes in the very low flame. Yum yum! The quick and easiest chicken dum biryani is now ready. If you are a bachelor or living far away from home, you must be craving something special for this Eid. Definitely give a try on this recipe. I hope you would like it. Make your Eid very special with this chicken dum biryani. You can see the rice is well cooked, the chicken is tender. What else you need? I'm showing the easiest way of making. Anyone can try this.